Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Back to Saving Mamasita. Yes, we are a bit excited here. We are always a little extra. We are primarily an unboxing channel. We do a lot of unboxings, monthly subscription box unboxings, seasonally, annually, you name it, we do it right here at Saving Mamasita. And we also like to dabble. Yes, we like to dabble into try-on hauls and that kind of thing as well. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to show you more of my content. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox a box brand that I have previously unboxed before. This one is my second Tipsy Pixie cocktail box, and I'm so excited because, oh my gosh, if you guys missed my last unboxing of this one, it was so much fun, and I can only imagine that this one is going to be even better. So let's go ahead and unbox Tipsy Pixie. It is a subscription box for ladies who love happy hour. One thing you need to know about this box is they do run roughly around the $39.99 monthly rates. And you also have a monthly t-shirt club option for $19.99 plus shipping. They offer one-time boxes, so if you don't want to commit, you don't have to commit. Just go on their website, grab a box, check out, and try it for yourself. And if you love it, go ahead and subscribe and get this on a monthly basis. And if you want, you can gift it to somebody else and have it sent right to their door. So a lot of different fun options for Tipsy Pixie. They do include a super soft t-shirt, matching jewelry, a bar tool, glassware or kitchen accessory, mixes or garnishes, collectible cocktail and appetizer recipe cards, and fun little extras like custom stickers or signature pixie sticks, hydration enhancers, and more. And also, on your birthday, you do get some extra fun little perks as well. All right, so it actually came in a black plastic envelope type situation, and inside was the box, just like this. On the front, it said, "Let's get this party started." And then on the top, it says Tipsy Pixie cocktail box, black and pink, and then the tipsypixiebox.com website on the opposite side. Woo! Look at this. On the top, they do have some fun little extras. It says, "It's time to celebrate Cinco de Drinko, bichachos," as if we need an excuse to get drunk on tequila. So that is the theme of this box, Viva La Fiesta. One of our very favorite places on earth is Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. They try to visit at least once a year because it is truly our happy place. This year, we spent a week visiting Puerto Vallarta, Sayulita, and Guadalajara, three wonderfully different and vibrant Mexican cities. We can't wait to get back. Until then, we will settle for celebrating Mexican culture the American way with Cinco de Mayo. And then it does give a list of all of the items that are inside the box, you guys. And they have a little scan thing here. You can scan for more goodies to go with your box. Okay, in this little pink and white envelope, they have some fun little extras. They have a sticker, Tipsy Pixie sticker. Tacos never broke my heart. Isn't that a fact? A fun coaster as well. Inside, we have a Propel hydration and some pixie sticks. Gosh, I loved eating those as a kid. It's just pure sugar. A lot of fun. Okay, so inside we have a fun little white cinch sack bag. It is like a little bracelet. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And it's got a little seashell on it. Isn't that cute? I like that. How fun is that? Very festive. And then some earrings to match. Little hoops. I love hoops. Look at those. Aren't those cute? So fun. Next up, we have Tilito's Crush Lip Smacking Mango Margarita Rim. Look at that. It says, place a couple of teaspoons of crushed tamalitos on a flat plate. Grab a wedge of lime and run around the rim of your margarita glass and then place it on the top of the crush on the plate and move it around until it's fully coated. Next item, they have a spicy mango margarita mix recipe, sweet meat spicy in this delicious margarita combo. On the back, they have canned salsa that you can try out as well. Next up, we hand selected this for you from the Mercados in Guadalajara, Mexico. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. That is gorgeous. It's a shot glass straight from Mexico. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. What is this? This is traditional Mexican coconut candy. And as you can see, it has the Mexican colors here, the country colors. We've got a little tool here, you guys. We've got a stainless steel cocktail muddler. Look at that. I do not own one of these, I can honestly say. We have a t-shirt. What does the t-shirt say? I love this color blue. I need a hug margarita. Yes, I do. This t-shirt is super soft and I love soft t-shirts. That concludes the unboxing of this Tipsy Pixie box. Love it, love it. Viva La Fiesta. Let's do a quick review and then we will go ahead and rate this box. Are you guys ready? We got the I Need a Hug t-shirt and a margarita. The Tamalitos Crush earrings and the bracelet. Mexican candy, cocktail muddler, recipes, pixie sticks and propel. And we have the gorgeous shot glass straight from Mexico. So all of those items, you guys, for roughly around $39.99 for the month. Let's go ahead and give this box a rating. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. So when we rate the box, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. Or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. And when we rate the box, we rate based on some factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, as far as the packaging, how well it's packaged, presented. Do they have a card that lists all of the items in the box? Do they have the values listed on that card? Also, the variety of the items in the box, as well as the quality of the items in the box. So all of those factors contribute to how we rate the box. Hit that drum roll, please. Tipsy Pixie cocktail box. You are gonna get a rating of a 8. You got an 8. You got an 8. You got an 8. Congratulations, Tipsy Pixie Box. This was so much fun. I love this particular theme. I love margaritas, oh my goodness. And I love the fact that this came straight from Mexico. It's absolutely gorgeous. The jewelry is so much fun. I love it all. I love the variety of these items. Love the presentation of the box. I love the variety of the items in the box, the quality of the items. It was a very, very well thought out box, and I love boxes that have a theme, and they freaking nailed this theme. So thank you so much, Tipsy Pixie, for sending me this box. I appreciate you so much. And if you guys like this video, hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know down in the comment section down below which item was your favorite from this box. Thank you guys so much for watching.